Picture this. You're driving down a Mississippi highway. Blue lights flash. Heart rate jumps. And before you even realize it, a conversation has started, one that can and will be used against you. Today, we're breaking down Mississippi traffic stops, what you legally have to do, what you don't, and how police use small talk to build a case that never needed to exist. This isn't about being rude. It's about protecting your rights, because police are not there to serve and protect you during a traffic stop. They're there to investigate, cite, and escalate if allowed. Let's start with what the law actually requires. In Mississippi, during a lawful traffic stop, you must provide driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance. That's it. You are not required to answer questions about where you're going, explain why you were speeding, admit guilt, engage in conversation. Mississippi is not a stop and identify state for passengers. If you're not the driver, you generally do not have to provide ID unless police can articulate R.A.S. that you committed a crime. Yes, but with limits. Under Supreme Court precedent, officers can order the driver out of the vehicle during a lawful traffic stop. But here's what matters. Getting out does not waive your rights. It does not create consent. It does not allow a search. You should calmly comply, exit slowly, and say nothing more than necessary. Once you step out of the vehicle, you may roll the windows up. You may lock the vehicle. Why? Because one of the most abused claims in policing is, "I smelled marijuana." Locking the car prevents fishing expeditions, prevents plain view claims, prevents officers from manipulating doors or interiors. This is not obstruction. This is protecting your Fourth Amendment rights. Yes, officers may direct you where to stand or sit for safety reasons. However, this does not mean you are under arrest. This does not give them search authority. This does not require conversation. Stand quietly, hands visible, mouth closed. At some point, always ask, "Am I being detained?" Why this matters. If the answer is no, you are free to leave. If the answer is yes, police must justify it. If detained, your next question is critical. When typing it, it's R.A.S. R.A.S. means specific, articulable, facts that point to a crime. Here's the key Mississippi drivers need to understand. A traffic violation is R.A.S. for the stop, not for prolonging the stop. Once the purpose of the stop is complete, ticket written, warning issued, documents returned, the stop must end. Fishing questions, drug dogs, and prolonged detention require independent R.A.S. If the officer continues, calmly ask, "What is your R.A.S. for extending this stop?" Do not argue. Do not explain. Do not fill silence. Silence is not suspicious, it's constitutional. Courts have consistently ruled in favor of motorists when stops are prolonged without justification. In Rodriguez v. United States, the Supreme Court held, police cannot extend a traffic stop for unrelated investigations without independent R.A.S. Mississippi courts follow this precedent. Translation: if the reason for the stop is over, the stop is over. Anything after that without R.A.S. can poison the case. Police are trained conversationalists. You are not. They use your words, your tone, your explanations to build probable cause where none existed. The safest traffic stop is a quiet one. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And if you want to see real breakdowns of police interactions, check out Lackluster, Audit the Audit, Long Island Audit, The Civil Rights Lawyer. Links are below. Stay calm. Stay quiet. Protect your rights.